Welcome to Basic Finance. If you were offered a choice between receiving $1 million today or a single penny that doubles in value every day for 30 days, your instinct might be to secure the million immediately. However, acting on that instinct would effectively lose you more than $4 million by the end of the month. By day 30, that single doubling penny would have grown into a sum of over $5 million, dwarfing the initial lump sum offer. This counterintuitive explosion of value is caused by a fundamental economic concept known as the power of compounding. To understand why this happens, you must realize that compounding is not merely earning profit on your money, it is the process of earning profit on your profit. In a standard simple interest scenario, your principal sum generates a fixed amount of cash, but the growth remains linear and predictable. In contrast, compound interest behaves exponentially because every dollar of interest you earn immediately joins the workforce to earn even more interest the following day. This creates a snowball effect where the momentum of growth accelerates the longer the process is allowed to continue without interruption. Because the growth accelerates over time, the most critical variable in this equation is not the amount of money you invest, but the amount of time you allow it to grow. Consider that an investor who begins saving at age 25 can often accumulate more wealth than someone starting at age 35, even if the late starter saves twice as much money per month. This mathematical reality means that waiting for the perfect time to begin investing is actually the most expensive mistake one can make. To instantly visualize this potential in your own finances, you can utilize a mental shortcut used by bankers called the Rule of 72. By dividing the number 72 by your expected annual interest rate, you can determine exactly how many years it will take for your money to double without adding another cent. For example, at an 8% return, your capital will double every 9 years, turning a modest sum into a significant fortune simply through the passage of time. Ultimately, the power of compounding rewards patience and consistency over speed and aggressive speculation. It transforms the passage of time from an enemy that erodes value into an asset that multiplies wealth. Thank you for watching Basic Finance.